Okay, so today we're gonna do another project, and we are going to change the color of all our dark furniture. We're gonna brighten up the place and turn it into white and hopefully gray. Yeah, maybe gray. White and gray, but today we're gonna do just one, and it's gonna be this one right here where you see the sander sitting on. Yep, so stay tuned.
Hello guys.
Excuse Jenna.
See. Hello guys.
Excuse Jenna, move. Hi everyone. So today we're basically gonna redo this dresser here. We're gonna sand it down and give it a nice finish with some furniture paint.
It's regular paint.
Yeah, because right now we're
I got a paintbrush too to paint.
Right now we're on a budget, so we can't buy furniture. So we're gonna redo what we have and make him look brand new again. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start sanding with this coarse grit right here. I think this is a 80 sandpaper right here, and the Ryobi sander. So this is what I'm gonna start with, and then I'll move on to a medium, then a fine one to finish. So let's get started.
Oh, it's gonna be so loud.
Alright everyone, so this is one coat. I'm gonna have this dry and then go over this again. Second time. Alright everyone. So here's the drawers. Got them painted. Have no space, so I had to put them in the bathroom here. So you see them looking really nice. Just waiting for these to dry to go over these again one more time. Alright everyone, so as you can see here, I started sanding the chest of drawers as well. I'm on the last one, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish sanding and paint this one as well. I'm gonna show you guys the ending product as soon as possible. Alright. Alright everyone, so this is the ending product we have here. Painted, handles replaced. Not replaced. Alright, so that's the dresser. Right there. And here we have our chest of drawer. So now I'm reorganizing this nightstand right here. So as you can see, it looks really nice and clean, beautiful white. Sorry about the light there.